Here she comes. Here she comes. Maybe, maybe not. Are you climbing up? Do you need some help? Hello down there. You're supposed to use your hands and your feet, not your teeth. You're not supposed to use your teeth. Can you climb up? Don't use your teeth. Can you climb up? Can you climb up? Can you go any taller? Are you just on your knees? Are you just on your knees? You're just on your knees. Yes, it is. That's why I was doing this.